Okay, so if you hear some loud noise in the background, it's my fan. But all I did was just, I parted anywhere. I didn't really have any specified square, triangle parts. I was just kind of like doing whatever. And I just rolled the hair in the perm rod. I wanted the ends to lay flat on the roller, and then I would twist and roll while I rolled it up, just to let you guys know. But as you guys can see, I didn't really have any specified parts. Some of the parts are big, some of the parts are small. And I ended up having to add these smaller rollers in the back because I didn't have enough rollers. So I'm about to get ready to go to sleep now. These rollers are uncomfortable to sleep in, but I'm a bigger fan of air drying than drying under a heater. So I will check back in with you guys in the AM, and hopefully they're dry. I'm gonna try and hold off before I take them down, but I'll come back to you guys with an update in the morning, and you'll probably see the final result. Alright, peace. See y'all in the morning. Alright, so it is the next morning. Actually, what time is it? It's the next afternoon. It's 1:20, and I did my hair at like 10 something last night. Got the shower, did a little makeup, you know. Now I'm looking good and fresh. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these rod sets out. Yes, they were uncomfortable. They were not the most comfortable thing to sleep in, but like I said, I recommend if you have a blow dryer, well, not a blow dryer, a hooded dryer, sit under your hooded dryer, because yeah, I'm not about that life. Anyways, yeah, if you guys, I'm gonna start off with this one. Y'all, it's dry. Oh my gosh, it's dry. I'm ready to start fluffing now, but I'm gonna not get excited. I'm gonna just continue taking them down. So yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, so I have not fluffed yet, but I have a really good feeling about this fluff. I got a really good feeling about this fluff, y'all. OMG. Okay, let me put a little oil on my hands so I don't mess nothing up. Alright, I'm gonna take some coconut oil and put it on there. I'm gonna just so my hands is shiny, y'all. All right. Y'all, I feel like Oprah a little bit. Oh my gosh, I fuck with this. Oh my god, like when I was younger, I used to always do perm rod set with the smaller perm rods. I wanted to do bigger perm rods because I just wanted some really big curls, you know. I wanted to do something big. Okay, we're gonna tuck that, but for the most part, oh my goodness, like I'm in love with this, I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna do it neater next time, so I'm gonna do an updated twist and roll out, twist and roller set. When I do twist and I put the perm rods on the end, I'm also gonna do an updated version of this as well, just to see if I can get something a little bit more uniform. I didn't really specify my parting or anything, mainly because I don't too much care about organization when it comes to my parts, because I want it to be natural, which is why I just free part everything. So I'm gonna try and do something more organized next time I do it, and I'll document it, update y'all. But I'm not even really done fluffing, but to be quite honest with you, I don't think I want to fluff that much, you know what I mean? Like, okay, so I would definitely have to say that this is definitely way better than my Velcro rollers. But I do love how the Velcro rollers give me that fluff, but last time I did them, it kind of pulled my hair out a little bit, and I wasn't really a fan of that. But yes, I do like this. Yes, goodness. Yeah. Okay, so the only thing I will have to say is the back. See, the back of my hair, it doesn't look as good as the front, and I think it's because this part here, it looks kind of weird. It looks kind of weird, but you know, I'm gonna let it do whatever. Next time I'll do the back a little bit more uniform, but otherwise I do love the front. I think I look really, really good. Yeah, I don't too much care for the back, but the front looks amazing. And I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna rock it. I'm gonna just, yeah, I'm gonna rock this. I think this is pretty cute. But yeah, if you guys like my hair, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like more tutorials of me doing roller sets, let me know in the comments below if you like it, or give me some tips. Okay, y'all, so tell me what y'all would have done to the back, because I'm not really a fan of my back. So in the comment section below, let me know what I probably shoulda, coulda, woulda did. And next time I do my updated rod set tutorial, I will take notes. And yeah, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you like my hair, and give it a thumbs down if you're not feeling it, or if you just like, oh no, the back, fuck the back. But other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Your favorite curl boss signing out. Peace. Thanks for tuning in.